because I want you to think about how you can showcase your product in a way that maximizes its emotional appeal. How does it enhance a customer's life? Does it offer a solution to a problem, to a pain, provide a sense of belonging, or create an opportunity for self-expression? Oh, yeah. The more you connect with your consumers' desires, your customers' needs and pain points and aspirations, the more you can tip the neural scale in favor of reward. Yeah. Deliver on that value, and you need a higher price to do it. Furthermore, I'm just dropping all kinds of bombs here. This insight also calls for a more empathetic approach to your pricing. Yeah. It's not about slashing prices to the bone. It's about setting a price that feels fair, setting a price that's justifiable, and setting a price that's in harmony with the value, the emotional value that you are providing. It's a delicate balance, I get it, but when it's struck right, it can lead to a far more meaningful and far longer lasting relationship between you and your customer. So, get off my soapbox here for a minute. Now, how this new understanding I just kind of shared with you can revolutionize all of your marketing efforts, whatever they may be, or how they can make you look at your past marketing efforts with a more discerning eye, right? It's a shift from cost-centric to value-centric. It's a shift from a transactional mindset to an emotional one. You feel me? Get out of your head and get into your heart.